Aloha guys from beautiful Hawaii. This is danielshawaii.com with a quick news update. Right now it is 9:40 a.m. and the storm is about to pass by the Big Island. Stores here on Oahu are getting prepared. You can see boarded up stores. Yeah, nobody on the road this morning. Pretty easy to get from the east side into town today. So to our left, this is Waikiki, and then straight ahead, this is downtown. I've seen some boarded up homes too. I'll try to get some footage of that later. So people on Oahu are obviously pretty scared. Homes are being boarded up, schools are closed, and this here is the south shore of Oahu. Pretty big waves, and we're expecting even higher surf and more wind within the next couple days.